For your last what is it? A lot of you guessed that it was a sponge. So I'm going to show you what a sponge looks like. So I've found this is a kitchen sponge. I'll zoom it out a bit more for a start. So this is just a sponge and I assume you guys are meaning like the yellow side. And yeah, there are some similarities with a sponge, especially these little sort of gaps, these little holes in it. So not a bad guess, but as you can see, the thing that I was looking at, the holes in it were much smaller, and even the fibers are a little bit smaller than this. I'll flip this over so you can see the green side, hopefully. There we go, there's the green side. So this is a scrub sponge, and that's what the green side looks like. So some of you guessed that that's what it was. Also, quite a lot of you guessed that it was Velcro. Got my son's shoe here, and I'm going to show you the Velcro on that. So that's the loop side. They haven't been worn much, these shoes, so they're pretty clean. And the other side's not looking quite so good because that's the hook side, which catches bits and pieces. And it's got bits and pieces of junk in it, but that's the little hooky parts that, of course, it catches bits of stuff off other jerseys, hairs, things like that. See there, you can see a fiber, a grey fiber running through here. So these bits here are probably hair. We've got a dog, so it could be dog hair. This is obviously a fiber woven fiber, and we'll try and just get a bit clearer on those little hook bits there. So those of you who guess Velcro, that is the two sides of Velcro. Now it was in fact a tea bag, so the outside was a slightly perforated. Oh, that's my sheets because I'm in my bedroom at the moment. So there you go, there's sheets. Now it was a tea bag, and the little perforated bits obviously let the water through, and the inside that looked all leafy and strange, almost like soil, was the dried tea leaves themselves. Now I've got a few last videos from you guys. Keep them coming in if there's any more for me to see, or if you haven't seen something that you've sent to me yet, remind me. And then your what is it for today, which I'm going to make a very easy one.
What is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
What is it?
I have an idea.